explain the concept of probability. A statistical measure of the variability of data points in a dataset, the number of times an event occurs in a dataset, a measure of the likelihood of an event occurring expressed as a number between 0 and 1, a method used to calculate the probability of a dataset. And the right option is option C. Define random variable. A variable whose value is determined by the outcome of a random experiment or process, a variable that takes on only specific values within a certain range, a variable that is not influenced by any external factors, a variable that is not measured or counted. And the right option is option A. What is cumulative frequency distribution? A table or graph that shows the cumulative frequencies of a values in a dataset representing the running total of frequencies as you move through the dataset. A method used to calculate the standard deviation of a dataset, a statistical technique for determining the central tendency of a dataset, a graphical representation of a distribution of a numerical data consisting of bars whose length represents the frequencies of different values or range of values. And right option is option A. Define quartiles. Values that represent the difference between the third and first quartiles. Values that represent the range of values within one standard deviation of the mean. Values that represent the difference between the maximum and minimum values in a dataset. Values that divided a dataset into 4 equal parts representing the 25th, 50th, also known as median, and 75th percentiles. And the right option is option D. What is grouped data? Data that is arranged in a random order, data that is categorized into intervals or classes, data that is collected from a single source, data that is organized alphabetically. And the right option is option B. Data that is categorized into intervals or classes.